In this video, we will show you how to use the Nobi Chat feature, a powerful tool to help you manage multiple fan pages, have quick conversations, simplify order processing, and professionalize the live stream sales process. What aspects of your online business will Nobi Chat assist you with? Manage multiple fan pages, optimize conversations effectively with only one click. You may quickly fulfill an order. Live stream support effectively. Here are the sections where we guide you how to log into Nobi eCRM software using Nobi Chat function. Introducing the interface of Nobi Chat, conversations, posts, conversation tags, Nobi Chat setting. Step-by-step guide to using Nobi Chat features, how to log into Nobi software using the Nobi Chat function. After registering on the website nobi.pro, you will receive the account name, password, and personal domain via email to log in. On the main dashboard, just click the Nobi Chat button to access all the functions. The main features will display. The conversations feature is where you can make invoices with just a few clicks and efficiently manage customers on the same interface, allowing you to keep track of your customers and their orders. The posts section is where you aggregate, categorize, and manage all of the postings on the fan page, including vital information such as the amount of interaction, comments, or phone number, which will be shown intuitively. The conversation tag function allows you to create and manage a lot of conversation tags that classify your customers. In the Nobi Chat settings tab, you can set up notifications on the software, automatically post or hide comments, assisting live stream selling, and many other useful features. Connect to your fan pages. To begin using this function, you must first connect to the fan page you wish to manage. Click this button to select and add fan pages or to change permissions. Next, you select Connect to add a fan page to the list of fan pages that can communicate on Nobita. You may also change the page merge mode here. This option allows you to manage several fan pages from a single interface. By clicking on this symbol and then agreeing, you complete the connection with Nobi Chat. The Nobi Chat connection is now established. Conversations function. Using the conversations function to send quick messages, fulfill customers' orders with just a few clicks, manage and categorize thousands of customers and conversations on this single interface. There will be conversations classified by message, post, time, employee, filter by tag, and sync conversation. You can sync all conversations from the message, comments, unseen, unanswered, have a phone number, no phone number, processed, unprocessed. Here you can also tag customers or create new tags. On the Add dialog box display, you can give the new card a name. One customer can tag multiple tags. Posts function. Next, we move to the Posts feature section. On the screen, you can see all the posts from the fan page in one interface. You can search, categorize posts, and sort posts by time. In addition, you can sort posts by comments, likes, phone numbers, latest posting date, and oldest posting date. Nobi Chat helps you hidden comments. It will support live stream sales, avoid robbing customers, and snatching customers from competitors. Conversion tags function. This is a feature that helps you add order cards, customer cards by clicking on the Add New button to create a card and choose a color. You can also import tags via Excel or sync Pancake tags, Fanpages tags, and Shopee tags. Nobi Chat setting. Next, you can go to the Nobi Chat settings section to perform some in-depth settings such as general setting, quickly reply, set up conversation dividing, automated messages, phone number setting, automated order setting. Transfer the conversation. General setting. Here's where you can turn on or off some features such as new message notification, notification sound, show unread conversation at the top, automatically press like when replying to comments, automatically create orders, and so on. Automatically hide comments to support the live stream selling process to avoid losing customers. Turn off notifications when customers tag friends in comments. Turn conversations into leads. Nobi will support you in turning the conversation that contains customer data into a lead. Employees can view and process page conversations on the same interface. You can synchronize pages to use the functions that have been installed as above. To save settings, select Save Settings. Quick Reply. Features to help you create and customize quick reply message templates. Here are some of the main functions, such as use the quick reply suggestion function in the conversation. Use a topic for a quick reply. A quick reply will be sent as soon as you select. Search for a quick reply. Search by sort order. Search by name. Search by content only. Display quick reply content. Now we will create the sample message body. First, after you fill in the quick reply name box on the screen, entering messages which you want to send to customers. Besides, you can insert the customer's personalized data such as full name, phone number, address, and so on. For example, fill in a quick reply name, how much? Then complete the content box. Hi, the price of your pink skirt is 500 pesos. Note that you should use the dynamic data function to personalize messages sent to customers. There will be a number of options for you, such as customer full name, phone, address, gender. On the same interface, you can also choose images to send to customers. In the image selection section, you can add a new photo folder or upload it from your device. After filling in the information, click the Add button in the right corner of the display frame to finish that task. In addition, you can also synchronize sample messages with different pages. You can sync sample messages for the fan pages you want. After creating the sample message, we go back to the Conversations section to test the newly installed message sample feature. You choose any customer so that we can try the newly installed sample message feature. You can see some sample messages that you have composed on the screen. You can choose the appropriate sample message and press Send to send it to the customer. Using sample messages will help you quickly send messages to customers, saving time. Set up conversation dividing. Now we will go back to the general settings to set up conversation dividing. Here, Nobi Chat will support you to divide conversations according to a number of advanced functions such as the conversations undivided, self-assigned staff, automatic division by unlimited sequential, automatic division by limited sequential, self-receiving conversations. Besides, you can easily customize conversation recall time. Specifically, with the self-assigned staff function, you can set up the time to recall comments after a period of time, and the time to recall the inbox as well. For example, the maximum number of times the conversation is divided is 25 according to your wishes. When you use the automatic division by limited sequential feature, you can set the time to recall comments and inbox. Besides, With the time to receive the conversation, we can set it according to the given time frame and divide it among the assigned staff. In particular, Nobi Chat has a priority function that divides conversations into many categories, such as type of conversation, staff, department, and time. This feature will maximize the performance of employees or departments. For example, for employees with higher performance, more work, you can split more conversations. Especially with the automatic division by unlimited sequential feature, you can prioritize dividing conversations by shift, staff, or department, by time, date, and so on. After the installation is complete, click on Save Settings. Automated Messages. This feature supports you in automatically replying to comments and messages from customers quickly and to the right audience. In the Nobi Chat settings, select the Add button. The screen will then display the Add New Automatic Messages interface and then click on it. There are 4 types of answers to choose from. First, the All Types option integrates all the answer types. Second, Reply to Messages. When customers text, you can set up a specific period of time for sending messages when customers interact. Here, you can choose the time to automatically reply to messages at the time you want. For example, you enter the time box as 1 minute. Then, after 1 minute of the customer's message, the system will automatically reply to the customer's message. In addition, you can also select Only Apply to New Customer Messages. Third, replying to comments when customers comment. Last but not least, sending a message when a customer comments. Only apply if the comment has a phone number. Depending on your purpose, you tick the types of answer types you are aiming for. Additionally, here, you'd have a list of sample messages to manage and select from when you've created automatic sample messages in the Quick Reply feature. To finish adding new automatic messages, click Add. Phone number setting. Now we will go back to Nobi Chat settings to continue setting the phone number feature. This setting will be applied to all your fan pages. The phone numbers listed on the below box will be marked as pages phone numbers. Do not create automatic orders or automatically convert conversations into leads with these phone numbers. This is especially useful in live stream selling. Automated order setting. Next, move to the automatic order setting section. This is considered a great live stream sales support feature. With this function, orders will be automatically created when the comment content contains the following listed keywords which you make. For example, product code or some other important keywords. Click the Save Settings button to complete the task. And we will move on to the last setting, which is the conversation transfer setting. With this feature, when you tag a conversation for a respective staff member, the tagged conversation on all pages will transfer management to him. First, select the conversation tags that you want to assign to a specific staff member, then select the appropriate staff member in the right box. To add a new transfer, click on the plus button on the right of the box. Select Save Setting to complete the transfer of the conversation. I have guided you to use the features of Nobi Chat. I hope you can use these features fluently. For any questions or comments, please contact the fan page, email, web, hotline. Thanks for watching the video.